academicians, scholars and students. A very warm and heartfelt welcome to the each one of you in this prestigious 2 days nation seminar on Viksit Bharat at the rate of 2047. Innovative pathways to sustainable livelihood, diversifying rural occupations. It is a privilege and honor to stand before you today as a convener of this remarkable event, which brings together some of the most brilliant minds from academia, industry, and policy making to deliberate on the future of sustainable livelihoods in the India's rural landscape. At the outset, I extend my deepest gratitude to ICSSR for their inevitable support, Vikramasinghe University Academic Administration for their encouragement of the on the in this seminar and contributors who have enriched this conference with their scholar insight. A special appreciation goes to the Department of Tourism Management, the organized members, for colleagues of the dedicated students and the participation who efforts and enthusiasm have made this seminar possible. The Government of India vision of Viksit Bharat at the rate of 2047 is an ambitious roadmap towards transforming India into their self-reliance, sustainable and globally competitive economy. This seminar plays a crucial role in the contributing to the vision of discussion innovative pathways for the rural livelihood diversification. Ensuring increasing growth of the economic empowerment of rural communities. The discussions over the next 2 days will highlighting significant themes such as the role of women, diversification, livelihoods, advancement in the agro-based industry, social entrepreneurship, non-farming rural employment opportunities, rural tourism, and the integration of digital technologies in rural development. These aspects are vital for fostering skill development, sustainable employment generation, and improve the socio-economic fabric of our country. Through this conference, we aim to create a platform for meaningful dialogue, policy, recommendations, and collaborative efforts that will enhance the rural economy reliance and the potential. It is the work collectively, academicians, research scholars, policymakers, industry leaders, and the community stakeholders to drive sustainable and equitable growth. The research and deliberate presentation, they will not only shape policy directions but also inspire innovative solutions that align with the aspiration of the development India by 2047. As we embark in this intelligent journey, I urge all participants to engage actively, exchange knowledge, and contribute to this discussion with these words. I take this opportunity to welcome you all, the senior professors, head of the departments, teaching and non-teaching, fraternity, students, inviting to the tourism professionals, other